Hi guys, welcome to my channel if you're new. Welcome back if you're one of my subscribers. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. Got all these lovely boxes of Z1, brand new brake pads front and rear, complete two-piece front and rear rotors. So upgrading the entire brakes to include this lovely master cylinder thing. Yeah, lovely. So the instructions are fairly easy. Just going to be a pain in the butt to get it in. Just want to do you kind of like a quick show you. So you have everything. It says to loosen this. I'm not going to basically allow you room. I did just fine. If you look down in here, it's kind of hard to see, but you see those holes right, see if I can point. See those holes right there? There's 4 of them. I had to basically use some pliers and a screwdriver and pop these out of those holes. So those are already threaded holes. Now this is the brace. So this goes down in here. And I'm not going to be able to record this, so I'm going to have to show you after. But like this slides in and lines up with those 3 bolt holes. So what happens is you have those 3. Then what I'm doing, it gives you different options of like how you want to do it. But you need like a swivel Allen. So I have a swivel Allen socket piece, which is the best because it'll allow things to move around. But I'm doing this so I can start it and it doesn't fall in. So I use some electrical tape around the swivel Allen to do this. So I'm going to hold this with one hand while I start the first screw. Once I get the screw in enough, not all the way in, then I'm going to do the same for the other 2. Then I'll show you the next step. This is not going to be fun because I don't have a long extension magnetic like it says to. By the way, this is a size 5 Allen. Picked it up on Amazon. It's only a couple bucks. Alright, I'm done for today. I think you can see the brace right there. And then you can kind of maybe see down in there, see those 3 bolts. The problem is that they're not all the way tightened down. I got that one pretty far. The far one, which was just a pain in the butt. But I don't know if you see it. It's kind of difficult, the lighting. But my lovely 5mm Allen wrench is down all the way down there. And remember how I said earlier, I don't have the magnet, so I can't get to it, but it's way down there, out of reach. Here's the end, the socket piece. It came out, so don't buy Craftsman, apparently, because that's the company, Craftsman. I'm sorry, not Craftsman, Gear Wrench. So brand Gear Wrench crap came right out of this end, so yeah, I need to go get the magnet to do the rest of it. So I guess I gotta wait till tomorrow. Alright, I am not exactly happy because their instructions for this are absolutely incorrect. If you look, it has a picture of it already installed with that. Unfortunately, when it comes, this bolt is in a bag with the 3 bolts. So if you look at the instructions, it tells you everything. It tells you to raise the hood, it tells you to remove those, and then it tells you to install the 3 bolts, and then it tells you to tighten down this. It never tells you to install this first. So I went through and put this whole thing in without this, screwed all these down, just have to take it all back out because this wasn't installed. Yeah, stupid. Alright, I just want to show you guys what I used. So I got this at Home Depot. It is like a moving thing. It allows you to bend it kind of however. Then obviously a 5mm piece. I used electrical tape to hold the screw to it, but I was able to get the screws back in really easily using this. It's just kind of finagling this piece first and then attaching the extension after. But it's kind of a pain in the butt. But that's what I used. But it's a pain. So you can kind of... Alright, so as you can see, I got 2 of the 3 screws. Unfortunately, I lost one of the other screws when I had to take it back out, and I cannot find it. So I'm going to have to order another screw, but I'm still going to take my chances and tighten this down right there. Tighten that against the master cylinder so it'll definitely not move. But yeah, that's it. I just have to order that other screw because, well, yeah, fun times. Like I said, it's not easy. I kind of stuffed it between. So the first for this, what I did is I put the bottom bolt in first, making sure that everything's lined up. That's why you see the painter's tape holding it in place. Like I had it right where I needed it to be. Then basically I tighten that one down first, which I put the bending thing, I know it's hard to see, but I put the bending thing behind this, like behind the brake lines. So when it was behind the brake lines right there, like behind those, up underneath, so that way I can line it up perfectly with the screw going straight in. That's the key to it. Then that one I put behind here as well and kind of like angled it, and I reached my hand down and pulled up on it as like I tightened it down. That way it's kind of lined up perfectly. Gotta do the same thing for the middle one once I get that replacement bolt, but it's all good. Now I just gotta tighten this down so it presses up against the master cylinder, and then yeah, then I get to do my brakes later. Alright, so if you look, electrical tape, the screw to the bit, this long bendy extender that I got in a set at Home Depot, then an extension, and I put the socket on the end of it, all to get the screw down in here. So down, all the way down, it'll show all the way down there in the center. There is a screw hole, hard to see because this camera sucks, but that's the screw. So I kind of extend it all the way through here and bend it and get it in there. So it's a pain, but get them all in there. I've already extended this, which was a pain. I actually unscrewed this piece to get the wrenches in there better. So yeah, that's it. And then the brake pedal is already stiff as heck compared to what it was, which is awesome. So I can't wait to get this on the road.